iPhone SE 2nd of May have a small display with Touch ID. It looks like the expected 4.7-inch screen in the iPhone SE 2 will be larger than the original SE, which had a 4-inch display. It is also rumored that he has a physical home button that, along with a fingerprint scanner, activates Touch ID. This is in contrast to Face ID, which uses face scanning and is used in modern iPhone models. The device may have one rear camera. The iPhone SE 2 is expected to have a single 12-megapixel camera on the back to reduce costs. In addition, the phone is expected in 3 colors, space gray, red and silver. A more expensive brother might be at work, iPhone SE 2 Plus. Despite the fact that the iPhone 9 or iPhone SE 2 has not been announced, in the Apple universe it seems that it's never too early to talk about future iPhones. There are already rumors of a more expensive set of sibling to launch in 2021, but it will still be positioned as a cheaper phone. According to MacRumors, it will be called the iPhone SE 2 Plus and will have a 5.5 or 6.1-inch LCD. Apparently, it will also have an updated Touch ID form that will be built into the power button.